Alright, Sparkle, we're going to teach you how to type, okay? So, Sparkle's bell. Alright, look. Sparkle's bell. Don't walk away. Sparkle's bell. Look. See? That's you.
Let her sit there. Let her go where she want to go.
See? This is how you spell your name. Sparkle's bell. See? Look. See? Sparkle's bell. Now you try. S. Press it. No. S. Get up, please. Come on. S. See? First letter. S. And then P is right here. S-P. P-P. Sparkle's bell. Now you try. Come on, look at the computer. S. Come on, Spark. Come on. Teach you how to use a laptop. Let's start with your name, okay? Come on. S.
Yeah.
P. No, don't feed her. S. No, look at the dashboard. Look. S. Press the S. Come on. S. What do you look? No. Look at the P. A. S. A. See? You see the A? What are you looking at? No. Look down. S. No. S.
You tap down and she'll look down.
P. A. R. K. E. S. Sparkles. You see?
Okay, coming up on 1 minute.
S.
1 minute.
Okay.